Huh? Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to this vlog, there's a subscribe option down below which is in red color. You have to hit that subscribe so that you can get subscribed to our channel. And there's a lot of noise over here. It's the busiest road on which we are vlogging right now, so excuse us. Okay, so what I was saying was, do subscribe guys, which is in red color, and there's a bell beside it which you can hit to get notification of all our future vlogs. So let's start the vlog.
The pain.
Hey guys, welcome back to NS Vlog. So this is Abhishek here with you, and today I'm going to start off this vlog by giving a shout out to one of the youngest YouTubers I have ever known. In fact, the name of his YouTube channel is Sat the Pro, the link of which I'm going to put down in the description below. Please do check out. He does very interesting vlog guys, and on this note I'm going to start off this vlog. So today we are going to travel to one of the very interesting places in Dubai, which is nothing but JLT. Now the full form of JLT is Jumeirah Lake Tower, as you can see in the title. And trust me guys, it is one of the fascinating places that we have ever seen on the earth. So it's 6:15 p.m. right now guys, and next 5 minutes we are going to start off this journey. I'm sure being a weekend there will be a lot of people going there to spend their weekend, so we are expecting to get a traffic on the way, and it would take about 1.5 hours to reach there. So hopefully we'll be there by 7:30. So without wasting any further time, let's start guys.
Say the word, say the word. Say the word, goodbye.
So guys, we've just made it over to one of the car park buildings right now. We've just parked our car, and now we are trying to exit on the other way where the Dubai Marina walkway is there. So we are just trying to find out where the entrance is exactly. We have found one lobby. We are going to check it out now. So let's see. So guys, as you can see, we have arrived at the place right now, and just see how cool it looks. Now there are tall skyscrapers on the other side. So Sagala, what do you think of this place?
I like this place very much because of the beautiful skyscrapers and this lake.
Yeah, just see those skyscrapers guys. They are not on the, they're not of the same structure. Each and every skyscraper is unique, right? Some of them are twisted as well.
And I like this twisted building which is just behind. This building is called Kayan Tower.
Yeah, and the other side we have got a mall here, and there are a lot of restaurants over there serving cuisines from all over the world, which we can enjoy, have fun. And being a weekend, many people, as it was expected, have come here to spend a quality time.
Been wasting all this time, should be like satellites, cast beyond the sky. Believe our fate for another day. Running these horizons, we'll find our way. We'll leave our fate and fade into the night. Just follow me to paradise. Say we try, say the word and we can run around the earth and around.
So look at this guys, how people are enjoying their boat rides. There are some cruises as well, which start from I think Dubai or Dera, which come here just to show the place around and then go back to the same place. And people seem to be enjoying over here right now. So just see how many yachts they are parked over here. These can be privately booked as well for hourly basis, I think on daily basis as well, and you can enjoy their rides. So right now we are just walking along the walkway that they have got over here, and just beside it there's a lake. So who wouldn't enjoy just being beside a lake, right? So we are enjoying our walk right now, and we'll pick one of the restaurants because after some time, after walking some distance, we are definitely going to get hungry, and we'll go in one of the restaurants to have food. So guys, here is the place from where you can book your yacht. I think it must be on hourly basis. So Swagata is just checking out the information. She has just gone to the counter to inquire, and then let's see what it is. So Swagata, what is this? What is the price?
For the Catamaran cruise, for the AD 120.
It's not visible.
It's not visible, so come here. Yes, it's coming, ma'am.
So guys, it has got a pretty long walkway, but the good thing is there are a lot of restaurants over here, and we have to be very choosy because cuisines from all over the world, as I said, is being served. So right now we are just standing on the shore just to take a thumbnail possibly. And you want to add anything about this place?
Yeah, I just want to do one thing. Those who don't like walking, they can hire bicycles.
Yeah, there is that option as well.
And
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
The price of the bike like 20 dirham per hour.
I don't know. You checked it out, right?
Yeah.
Just look at the side, guys. We have spotted one more cruise right now, and the good thing about these cruises is you can book it on hourly basis, and besides this, they have unlimited refreshment on these cruises. So if you get tired of enjoying having fun, then you have unlimited food as well. That is a good thing, I feel, right? And then look at the view out here. We are thinking of taking an entire walk right now. It's pretty long, as you can see. We came right from there. They're just boat passing by, and people in it are having a fun. They are just waving their hands to the ones who are passing by on this walkway. Wow, man, I've just fallen in love with this site. It's amazing, isn't it? Wow guys, this place is super dope, I must say that. It's really amazing, isn't it? What do you feel?
Yes. I have already told you that I like this place very much.
So guys, we just sort of taking some rest over here, and along the walkway they have kept several benches, so we just chose one of them and thought of sitting here for some time. And in next probably 10 to 15 minutes again we'll get up and then again start walking. And if you are coming here as a tourist, then which is the metro station which is approachable from here?
Damac Properties Metro Station.
Yeah, so note down guys, Damac Property is the one from where this place is literally walkable.
It takes only 2 minutes.
Yeah, I think 2 to 3 minutes and you would reach here. But if you are planning to bring your car, then there are ample car park buildings available here. So in any of the car park buildings you can get your car in, and it's a pay parking guys. So it's 20 dirham per hour, 20 AED per hour. So you can park as much as you want, but then it will charge you based on 20 dirham per hour. So we've just decided to start walking right away because it's enough of taking rest. And now we'll go to one of the restaurants because
He is feeling
it has-
hungry.
yeah.
He is feeling hungry.
indications have already started coming. So Swagata, what do you feel is the coolest thing about this place?
It's glittering everywhere.
Yeah, exactly. Whichever even restaurants also you see are lit up, right? Even the trees just in front of the restaurants also lit up. Isn't it amazing?
It's the coolest place.
So guys, you must have really liked this place, right? Do let us know exactly what you like here. And if you really do so, please don't forget to hit that like option.
And please share with your family, friends and relatives because we need more subscribers. What are
Yeah.
you guys? Please subscribe and hit that button.
So guys, we did have a really good time over here, and now we are walking back to the same place where we parked our car. So next is we are going to go to Chili's, right, to have dinner.
They are going to Chili's.
So Chili's are going to Chili's to have dinner.
After a long time, we are going to Chile. Have some chili? No.
Let's go to Chili's. This is one of the Mexican dishes that I'm having, and what it is? What is the name of it? Chipotle mix.
Chipotle mix rib.
This is the chicken flesh. It's super delicious.
It's yummy.
It is indeed. So Swagatam, try your dish and how it is. Tell me.
Yeah, just it's really yummy. Nice tender chicken.
It's good.
Lots of cheese on top of it and some
Bean.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's eat now. Hey guys, so we are walking along the walkway which is next to one of the busiest roads in Dubai. So as you can see, cars are moving pretty fast on that road, right? And we had our dinner at Chili's, which is exactly there. So we are just walking to have some digestion because at the moment we are filled up to the capacity. So we'll be ending this vlog in a short while. We'll be heading back home as well. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, I'm going to give an option here. So you're just one click away to subscribe to this channel. So you can hit here and get subscribed. And in case you have missed our previous vlogs, I'm going to give an option over here. So here is where our previous vlog is going to appear. So on this note, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you stay blessed, stay happy and enjoy your life. So stay tuned guys for the future vlogs. Goodbye for now.